everyone. Headed to breakfast. It is cruise day.
Cruise day.
Cruise day. So we're excited.
Yeah, we're going up here. We're going to grab some breakfast. It's opens at 7 and where we stay at. And then 8 a.m. we're doing the live this morning that we do. Come over to Daily Coffee Talk.
On the MSC Seaside.
Excited still yet?
Yeah, I'm still excited.
You're going to do your jump on the ship?
I'm going to jump right onto that ship.
What are you getting ready to do?
Stand in line and wait for the doors to open.
What are we getting ready to do right now?
Check in.
Check in. Waving to us, is that our priority? They are priority. Yeah. Priority. Uh-huh. 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 How you doing? How you doing?
Hitting on the ship.
Shipbound?
Shipbound.
Shipbound. That's about the best embarkation. That didn't, you know, some people got on here a lot earlier, a whole lot earlier than us.
I mean, at least what, 10 seconds?
Yeah, maybe 10 seconds.
Felicia said she needs.
And we are.
I need a drink too.
We are here for Felicia's birthday.
It's an empty drink.
You're here. Garage. That's a sports one. There's a garage. Closed now.
Open.
A lot of them are in the aft. There's a bar right here. Is it open?
Let's go there.
There we go. Let's go there.
What's on this?
Yes.
Go to the right over here. Hello, hello.
It's kind of sticking, but I can see your beautiful face.
Talking to your daughter. Here we are at the Seaview Lounge. Let's check it out. Seaview Lounge. Jason back there, he's our bartender.
Hey guys,
Pretty nice. You got a piano set up back here. Y'all might know them people right there.
see? She said, right.
Also a great place to get a coffee from what I understand. We're still in port, and yeah, look what you're looking at, straight down. And then we have yeah. So that's scary, that's cracked, ain't it?
Just after 2 o'clock, we're headed to a room. Right now we're on level 8, and we're headed to what the room?
Decade.
Decade. Guess what, guys? You don't have to push buttons on the elevators. You just tell it where you want it to go.
Yep. Thank you.
I wouldn't mind coming down and through the summer and running and getting back on Paradise. But I was looking at the dates, didn't work out for her. Y'all be like that, we'll be out of the valley.
What'd you get?
This is the champagne bar area. Very nice. Very nice. Good, very good. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button.